Hello, it's May 6th, 2014. I'm doing a math babble bit, and the topic of this bit is bars, basic arithmetic road signs. And the idea behind bars is that you encounter a road sign, you take a picture of it, and then you become an equationeer, a finder of equations. In other words, you do equationeering. And in a nutshell, this is the way basic arithmetic road signs work. You have to use every number in the sign. You can only use each number once, and you have to come up with an equation. You are allowed to use square root, cube root, common logs, factorials, exponents, etc. when coming up with the equation. This particular road sign is located off of US Highway 60 near the rest area in Salt River Canyon, and that's where I encountered this road sign. The numbers in the sign are 4, 7, 16, 21, and 26. And when we see a road sign like this, we like to see the square numbers like 4 and 16, because the square root of 4 will give us a 2, the square root of 16 will give us a 4, and then if we squared root that, we'd get a 2. We like seeing 7 as a factor of 21. We like seeing the difference between two numbers being 10. We're not a big fan of prime numbers being in the road sign, but this road sign has only one prime number in it. So here are some example of equations. 21 plus 16 is 37, subtract 7 gives us 30, subtract 4 gives us 26. We used all 5 numbers that are in the sign, and we came up with an equation. We did equationeering. Here's another equation. 21 divided by 7 is 3. If we take the log of this difference, we get the log of 10, and the common log of 10 is 1. 3 plus 1 is 4. Another equation, 26 subtract 7 is 19. Over here, square root of 16 is 4 divided by the square root of 4, which is 2, so we get 4 divided by 2, which is 2. 19 plus 2 is 21, so there's an equation. And then lastly, we've got this equation here. The square root of 16 take away 7, which is the square root of 9, is 3. The square root of 4 is 2, so 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 21 is 26. There are more equations, but these are the 4 that we currently have in the web page for this particular basic arithmetic road sign. What is not being presented in this video clip is the road sign evals that we have. And what that basically is you have to use all the numbers in the sign, come up with an expression that evaluates to special numbers. For example, use the numbers in the sign such that when you evaluate the expression, you get an approximation of pi. Or use the numbers in an expression such that it approximates the golden ratio. Since this road sign was found in Arizona, which was the 48th state admitted to the Union, we will look and find a math expression that when evaluated will evaluate to 48. There are other road sign evals. Another one that I do is, like, I'm 56 right now, so I'll try to find an expression using these numbers such that when you evaluate the expression, it evaluates 56. Highway evals, you use the numbers, come up with an expression that evaluates to the highway number on which the sign was found. Road sign cardinality evals, you use the numbers in an expression that evaluates to the number of numbers that are in the road sign. So we don't demonstrate any of the evals here up on the board, but if you were to look at the web page for this particular road sign, there are a whole bunch of road sign evals in addition to this set of equations. So we've been doing basic arithmetic road signs since early 2005, and to date we have 814 of these road signs. I have a fairly big backlog of road signs that need to be turned into bars, and then I'm going to be taking a 4,200 mile road trip that is going to go through a whole bunch of different states, and you can rest assured we're going to come home with a lot of road signs that will need to be turned into bars. I think that's all I have to say. We're going to end movie.